How to fix Instagram song problem. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is just wait a few seconds, it will start loading the apps, and after that you have to scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. After you click on Instagram, it will take you to this page. Now you have to click on this force stop option and then click on the storage. Click on clear data, clear cache. Go back and open the settings again. Now you have to click on click on the wireless and networks. Now on this page you have to enable the airplane mode and disable it again, and then you have to go into the Play Store, search for Instagram and update it if you don't have the latest version. And if the problem is not solved yet, then you have to go back to the settings and change the country of your phone into the United States or Canada. After you do this, now you have to restart your phone and reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe.